how to set up call forwarding on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the phone app. Then we tap on the More button at the top and choose Settings. In Call Settings, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Supplementary Services. From here, choose Call Forwarding. And here there are 4 different options. You can choose Always Forward, Forward when busy, Forward when unanswered, and Forward when unreachable. Now tap on one of the options and then put in the phone number that you want to forward to. And then tap on Enabled. Now the same goes for forward when busy. So if you want, you can choose forward when busy, when unanswered. They are the same thing. So I'll just disable that for now. And then you can choose forward when busy or forward when unanswered. They are pretty much doing the same thing. At the moment, it is forward to my voicemail. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.